Exploring the great outdoors can be a breathtaking experience. Beginners, make sure you're equipped with the right gear to enhance your trip. Here are 5 inexpensive hiking essentials.
Coinage. Life well spent. Presented by GEICO.
A GPS handheld navigator won't let you get lost in the woods. The smart device has a preloaded map sure to find your location instantly. Track your journey with this waterproof gadget for $75. First aid supplies are a must for any hiker. This simple kit has everything you're sure to need, from bandages to ointments. Don't leave home without this important container for $24. Great footwear can make or break your adventure. These breathable shoes give you extra comfort with a padded tongue and collar. Lace them up and you're ready to go for only $65. A headlamp will keep you moving even after the sun sets. This LED light is ultra bright and pivots up to 45 degrees. Place this helpful headband on your noggin and you won't be afraid of the dark for $7. A hiking pack ensures all your items are with you on the go. This medium-sized bag has a snap buckle with several large and small pockets. Strap this unisex pack on your back for $26. Have fun exploring all Mother Nature has to offer.
Coinage. Life well spent. Presented by GEICO.